Hello and welcome back to the Home Bartender. I found today's version of the Siboney in the Is A Tiki cocktail book. This cocktail first appeared in Trader Vic's book called Rum, Cookery and Drinkery in 1976. It's pronounced Siboney. Today's cocktail was updated by Antonio Martinez from the Bootlegger Tiki in Palm Springs, which is totally on my bucket list for my next Palm Springs trip. So let's get the ingredients together and we'll go over those next. You will need 1.5 ounces of Dr. Bird Jamaican rum, 1/2 ounce of pineapple rum, 1 ounce of pineapple juice, 1/2 ounce of passion fruit syrup, and 1/2 ounce of Demerara simple syrup. I cannot wait to show you this cocktail today because it uses one of my favorite rums, and I hope to use it more on this channel. So let's start with 1/2 ounce of the Demerara simple syrup, 1/2 ounce of passion fruit syrup. Also, don't forget that I have a video on how to make this syrup. I'll link that at the end of today's video. And then we have 1 ounce of pineapple juice, 1/2 ounce of this pineapple rum. Now, this is the infused rum that I love to use, but if you don't want to use that, just use the pineapple rum. That's great. 1.5 ounces of this Dr. Bird rum. Let's get some ice and mix this cocktail. I love that rum because it's finished in muscatel casks, in muscatel wine casks. It makes it super oaky and it has a really unique fruity flavor, which is forward, but I really love it. So let's shake this. Get this into our coupe. Excellent. That, my friends, is a Siboney. I love this cocktail, and so I'm super excited to try it for you and give you some tasting notes. Man, it's just a fabulous cocktail. The first thing that I get is that Dr. Bird rum, and since it's finished in the wine barrel casks, then it has a fruity, unique flavor, but it's also got a really deep rum flavor as well. It is such a smart choice in this cocktail. It's a totally underutilized rum. Next thing I get is the pineapple rum right behind that Dr. Bird. When you infuse that pineapple rum, it obviously really ramps up the funk. So with the Dr. Bird rum and the pineapple rum, it's really got a fruity finish like wine, and then it has that pineapple funk that comes in. It's just a super interesting combo. Then I get the passion fruit, which is a tiny bit tart, but it also brings it a tropical feel. Then the pineapple juice, which is sweeter than the pineapple rum infusion, comes in. These two things together bring it that island sweetness that this cocktail really represents. The Demerara simple syrup is there, but I think it's there to just tame that tartness of the passion fruit syrup. It's a really sweet cocktail by nature with all of these ingredients, but it's super well balanced. And again, that addition of the Dr. Bird rum is really genius. It's an excellent, excellent cocktail. So I really encourage you to go pick up some Dr. Bird rum and make this cocktail. I'm going to do more with this rum this summer, I am sure of that. So let me know in the comments if you make this, and if you do make it, are you going to make it with another type of rum? Tell me if you have Dr. Bird in your collection, or what other rum will you use in this cocktail. I'd love to hear about that. So that's it for me today. I appreciate so much that you stopped and watched to the end of the video today. Thank you, and we'll see you next week when we'll make another fun cocktail together. Be well.